Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are participating in a collab with J Dolls UK, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Penny from Playful Reborn, and Tina from Tina's Reborns and more. This is our elf tea party, and we hope you all have videos. If you do, please do me a favor and let me know in my comments that you have a video, because I don't want to miss it. And the hashtags don't always come up like they should. And today we are doing a video, Show Us Your Elves Tea Party. And I have my Tura out here. She's in most, so far, all of my elf videos. I love this doll. She is so funny. Just a little cutie pie. Then last month I introduced this little girl, Elfina, and I should have run a brush through her hair. She is a midi Blythe with 2 strings. I added her name and beads, and these are just for fun. Let me make sure they're straight. They just pull her eyes back and forth. They're hooked to the dial. It's just for fun, a nod to the original Blythe doll. I should run a comb through her hair for the party. I made her outfit in a nod towards the elves on Lord of the Ring. But instead of going with silver, I went with gold because I had this gold fabric and I just thought it would be good. I made her a little dress. This gold trim, I actually kind of made it. And I had to sew it slow and easy. This I left long because I couldn't decide if I wanted to, lace the front of her or not. And then the little shawl, I just thought it was cute, just kind of that elfy thing. And then last week, or this week, oh, where's her stand? That's the problem. There we go. Why am I trying to make a midi stand without a stand? We just almost finished this guy last night. I love him. I had a different vision when we started, and he does have a name. It's Ryan, kind of like Theon, only Ryan. Starts with an R like my boys do. He was going to have long hair like Lord of the Ring, but it was just too feminine. So we went back and put his original blonde hair on. I like it. His eyes did not get finished. I still want to do those because I want them blue. But otherwise, cutie pie. I very pleased. And I made his little outfit to sort of match hers, but in a more feminine, more masculine look with the long pants and the long sleeve shirt, the same. I want to call it a vest, but it's not, kind of a shawl, and then the gold belt. None of these guys fit the beautiful tea set that Darren had made my 1/3 BJD dolls a while back. So look what he did. He made them each their own cup and saucer. Let me move a couple things here. Move the milk and sugar. This one is for Tura, and we'll hand that to her in a minute. And this one is from Ryan. I know I say it funny. And then this little one is for Elfina. But wait till you see what else he made when he was working on sizes. He's so funny. He's always trying to get things just right for me. And he said, oh, those middies are so small. Can you see this tiny itty bitty cup and saucer? Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. For those of you that love miniatures, that's like a mini miniature. I love it. But they can each hold their cup. Let's give it to them. And she's real. There's her little cup. And his little cup is right here. Move your hand this way a little bit. And his fits on like that. And then we have Elfina's. Where is it? Oh, that little tiny one's so cute. I have to say, I have never seen a doll cup and saucer that small. So here is my group. Thank you, Jay, Penny, Dory, and Tina. This is such a fun collab. How am I going to keep his hair out of his eye? Oh, wait, his head tilts. I forgot about that. Tilt your head up, buddy. There you go. There you go. Hair's gonna, nope, not gonna stay out of his eyes. Thank you to Jay, Penny, Tina, and Dory. This is such a fun collab. These elves are so much fun. I am enjoying this very much. Please go by not only to see every single Elf Tea Party video today, but also make sure you go by your host. Encourage them. Give them a lot of views and a lot of likes and a lot of comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.